Hello, Tita Doris. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We wish you all the best, good health, blessing, more blessing. Naimik ang aming anak. More blessing to come. At saka, stay healthy. And also, more money to come.
God bless po. Happy birthday po. God bless. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Doris. 60 years old ka na pala. May discount ka na. Kasama ka na sa mga discounted people.
Discounted people. Senior citizens.
Senior citizen ka na din pala. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And good health. God bless.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday po, Grandma Doris.
Family.
Doris, happy birthday! 60 years old ka na, napakabatang tingnan para sa 60 years old. Sana my wish sa iyo is God bless you, a good health, and joy with health, with peace, and with love. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na ito. At maligayang kaarawan para sa aming buong pamilya from the Sombrero family. Enjoy your birthday today. Ikain mo na lang kami lahat sa diyan, ha? Bye!
Hi Chang, happy birthday. I wish you good health and long life. May God bless you always. Enjoy being senior. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Doris! Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and stay healthy always.
Happy birthday, Moody! Thank you for everything. Thank you for always being there for us. I prayed that God will bless you more birthdays to come. Sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad and stay healthy. God bless always. Love you. Happy birthday!
Chang, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Chang, happy birthday. We love you ni Ime at ng mga babies namin. Wish namin lagi kayong malakas, healthy, and happy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Hello.
Hello, Doris.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Hi, Miss Doris. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Wish
birthday.
you all the best in life. Sana yumaman ka pa ng yumaman at laging magbabait. Happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy, ha. Baitan lagi. We love you.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Grandma. I pray that you're always healthy and safe. Happy birthday, Elet. Love you.
Mother, happy 60th birthday. More blessings, good health, and always take care sa mga lakad ninyo. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Mother. Welcome to Senior Citizen Club. Enjoy your birthday, your party. Sana nandyan kami, pero ganun talaga. Basta mag-ingat kayo lagi sa araw-araw na pag-alis ninyo. Ingatan kayo ni Lord lagi sa pagdadrive. At we pray na lagi din kayong malakas ang katawan, kayo ng tatay, kayong lahat dyan. Again, happy 60th birthday. We love you and kumusta po sa inyong lahat. God bless po. Happy birthday, Mother. Love you. Bye-bye. See you here.